If you want to review and save photos and videos stored on your doorbell, you have to have an SD card installed. So just pop one in there and you're ready to go, but after a little configuration. Okay, so now we're going to head off to the app. Go to the front door here, which is what I name mine, and then you let it refresh. Now normally you go down here to the bottom of the 24/7 recording. Now I have mine turned on. But to turn it on, you have to go up here and come down here and make sure this is on. You have to have an SD card installed. The larger the SD card, the more history you can store and the further back you can review. So that's the initial setting. It doesn't mean anything. It's once you install the card and start recording, sometime in the future, some number of days, and it'll fill up like this. But being filled up doesn't mean a thing. It just means it's going to have a rolling history for however many days can be stored on that card. And it'll keep changing as you use it. So anytime you want to go take a look, you go back to the app, you click on the front door, it'll automatically bring up a screen of your latest recordings. And you'll see it there. And there's a timeline right there of actions, what's going on, and a list down at the bottom of what's going on for that particular time that you're looking at it. Now, you can browse this by simply dragging your finger across the timeline up ahead, or you can use these convenient items down here to give you clips of things that happened in the timeline. And by choosing those, it'll display that. You can even use a drop down to change the day and go look at whatever's going on that particular day and time. So if you think something happened on a certain day, you just click on the date there. It'll refresh and go give you a list. You click on that one there, and it goes to that particular part of the clip. And hopefully you don't find anything more nefarious than a bird walking around on your patio triggering your camera. Now motions are highlighted in a darker green. And you can, once you get there, you can expand them by using your fingers to open it up. And you can scroll here within that to see exact times and exact events inside that particular area. Okay, so now you found the thing you want to save. Well, now that you're here, there's a record button. Now you see it says it's recording. And this CD-looking character is going out to my gate. And as far as I got that clip, when I'm done, all I have to do is press the stop button, and it goes and stores it. You can also wait until a particular moment in time on the clip while it's playing or when it's stopped, and you can sit there and take a look at it. And when you see that item you want to do, you can press the camera button, and the camera button lets you record that exact moment. And I got them now. So that's how you record them. How do you view them? Well, you just use whatever gallery module you'll have on your phone. Here I'm going to exit the front door app where I don't have to even exit. I can just go to my home, click on my camera, and if I can get over there, and click on my camera or my gallery, and there they are. There's the clips. There's the one movie. I bring it up, and I can watch that movie that I recorded. Or if I go back, I can look at that one, the clip of that guy that I wanted to catch at the door. So that's it. That's how you set up, record, and extract photos and videos from your Kasa front doorbell. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description of this video.